think I like this view. Perfect, is that